Previously on Sailing Zatara.
We shared with you some practical tips on sailing, discussed our costs and expenses for July, and also left Greece and had an interesting sail 144 miles to the coastal city of Marmaris, Turkey.
I tell you a story about me and you, out on the water, surrounded by the blue. They scream that only I'll be saved. They toss off the line, but I just let it float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. Float away, float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away.
Our first stop in this gorgeous European country was Marmaris, on the southwestern shore of the Mediterranean Sea. It's set in a sheltered bay, surrounded by lush mountains, pristine waters, and breathtaking views. Marmaris is a very friendly and bustling town where we found just about everything we were looking for: repairs and supplies and fantastic drone footage.
So we've installed the first two of the 100-watt solar panels. I've got 16 to install. My friend Daryl from Wiz used these same solar panels, and he's kind of helped me because I'm not real good at this kind of stuff. He showed me how to do this. So I put two down, and we used scuba weights to weight them down and put 6 flex on the back, and we're just going to work our way across the deck and get them installed. Getting there. I'm just drilling the holes for the deck right now. We did a rough install on the wiring. I'm waiting on the deck glands to put on the wires to run through there, but right now we just got them up and running so that we can produce some electricity. Right now, just with the 1200 watts I've got installed, we're averaging about 20 to 25 amps an hour at 24 volt system, which is about a break even for what we burn during the day, and then we're down to 70% at night, and I got to recharge them during the day. So in 2 or 3 weeks, I'll finish the install with the deck glands and the rest of the solar panels, and we'll do a Z-log on the complete install and how I did it. So as we pulled into Marmaris, the port engine transmission started giving us fits, and we got in there, and I tell you what, the service people here in Marmaris, Turkey are wonderful. They got out on the boat that day, diagnosed the problem, and it was the flywheel and the flexible coupler on the engine, in between the engine and the drive shaft. That's the problem. We ain't got no propulsion on that.
Then go reverse with the starboard engine.
They didn't have an extra flexible coupler, so they had to order that. We had to wait 10 days for that to come in. And once we got that in, they came out, installed that. The whole thing, the flywheel, we had an extra flywheel on the boat from the previous owner that was new in the box. And the flexible coupler plus the labor and everything installed was 1,800 euro, roughly 1,800 euro installed. But they got right on it. It was a great job.
We spent about 2 weeks in Marmaris getting things done on the boat, and then set out for a 50-mile sail to Go check. We had light winds of about 15 knots and averaged a speed of 8 knots per hour.
Oh, let it go. I'll breathe you in like smoke. I'll taste that Cuban talk. Only the best for me.
I like your glasses. You look intelligent.
I know.
3D glasses for us, yeah.
No.
Don't tell everybody that.
We're actual glasses.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Running out of time to be wasted now. I'm running out of air. You're running
This thing, to answer all your questions, is a satellite dish Satellite TV.
Like cable, satellite TV. I think those are two different things. But
Yeah, satellite TV from the 80s.
it doesn't even work.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
But Keith is a hoarder. He doesn't want to get rid of it. He's afraid it'll be useful. So
Like, that's so stupid. It's like marring every single view.
it is. Might sell it in Fort Lauderdale on eBay.
I don't think you can get money for that. It's like trying to sell a VHS tape.
What's wrong with VHS, man?
Yeah, if you know.
I've got my VCR on file.
I wouldn't want to sell a VHS tape.
Anna, I would know. I have the glasses. Hey, come on, get the camera out of my face.
Are you kidding me right now?
I'm too famous here. I'm too famous. No, but those glasses aren't special. These are. These are.
They have my name on them, so in case I ever forget my
These
name.
are plutonium nuclear atomic glasses. Don't let the terrorists get these, y'all.
Anna, you're gonna loosen it up.
Okay.
Let's see, Mom. Let's go 10 more degrees to port.
Got it.
There's a button that says
I know, just minus 10?
yes.
Okay, yeah. All right. Got it.
Oh, come
God.
on. There. Look at that.
So we got up this morning and we got fuel and we sailed for about 5 or 6 hours today to a nice little anchorage here south of Gochek. And we are getting ready to back in and tie our stern off. And everybody's getting ready. We had some new lines, so the kids measured the lines and cut the lines, and we're following Wiz. Wiz is right over there somewhere, right there maybe. I can't tell.
Throw it to us, sailor boy.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna go backwards. Okay. Go reverse and get out of there. Okay. There you go.
I mounted her.
So we're in Turkey and it is so hot. We don't have the air conditioner on very often because it uses a lot of fuel to run the generator. So we just suffer. But it's probably 34. 34. I know it's hot.
It's like 34.
It's not quite as hot as Texas, but if you're in the States or in Texas and you don't have your air conditioner on,
I feel for you.
it's hot. So we get in the water constantly. It is like 9 o'clock in the morning right now, and we've already all been in the water at least once.
It is hot. It's hot.
Very hot.
Hey, Anna.
What?
Can we turn the air conditioning on?
No.
Nah.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is there's 24 volt electricity back here to this light. So I'm gonna put a 24 volt fan here, and I'm gonna put a USB here, and it'll work.
Cool.
This is a must-have on a boat.
A boat, a voltmeter.
Tell me what that's, I reckon.
Okay.
That's 26 volts, perfect.
What is going on?
I almost have a USB port and a fan.
Oh. He's doing that. He's doing that.
He loves me. Beautiful. Now that's just a big iPad with a suction cup mount, and it functions as a TV screen for that NAS thing we've been talking about with the Plex. Thank you, baby.
Is it cold? I feel good? Oh my gosh.
And that big rock at the top comes falling down.
I
and
know.
crushes someone.
Don't want to be here during a storm or an earthquake. What do you think about this?
I love it.
Oh my gosh! There goes Jack! Oh my gosh!
Like the cold water.
Oh, my family's crazy.
Okay, I'm really done. I'm really done. Do I gotta drop you guys off?
Yeah,
Like right now?
in just a second. He's gonna.
Why did you do that in English?
Well, something's wrong with Anna's ears. It's been wrong for a few months now. We're not sure what it is, but we've got to get it looked
Oh, we
at.
are sure what it is.
Well, now Dad thinks it's a ruptured eardrum. What do you think? You got a booger in there?
Might not. You got a big old booger in there, but I don't know if it's
I
perfect.
pulled it out of my nose.
Stuffed it in her
And I
ear.
just decided I'll just keep it there for later.
Could be the shadow of the wax making the eardrum look like it's perforated.
So do you think we should go see the doctor or not?
Yeah, let's get that
Yeah.
out of there.
It's gotta come out of there anyways. It's blocking
Okay.
all hearing function.
All right, Turkish doctors, here we come.